channel, not the window liquor channel.
Pick up all that garbage here and it still don't matter. Idiots. Well, good morning. Rainy morning. Figured might as well finally get around to making a video, considering I am on holidays. And I've already been on holidays for a week. But I haven't been able to do anything. I get on holidays, I go to a fucking Blue Jays game, and next thing you know, I end up with a nasty cold. You can still kind of hear it in my voice, but feeling a lot better today. But I tell you, only my luck, man. Only my luck. Get on holidays, sick. And it was brutal. I tried to power through it some days, you know, do some stuff at home. I didn't really go out anymore. But, you know, for the first 2 major days of it, I had to carry around rolls of toilet paper with me because my nose just would not stop. And that was fun. And coughing and all that's fun stuff. And I did the yard work, and that was fun. But it made me feel better, and it was hot as hell that day. But now it's cold out. It's kind of cold out today, and I don't like it. I guess it's a high of 21 or something like that. I don't like it. I'd rather it be hot and humid. But we got one of these guys coming. I can't see all the rain. I've looked into getting that job. A maintenance worker for the railway. I don't think I would mind it. I like fixing stuff. And it would beat working in a factory, I'd tell you that right now. But maybe in the wintertime it would suck, but so does working in a factory in the wintertime. But anyways, it's almost 10 a.m. I figured I'd try to get an earlier start, even though I'm just exhausted. That cold really took it out of me. Come down here, and there's a green signal down there. There wasn't one when I just showed up on this side, of course. And hopefully I get lots of activity today, so I have something to put out. Wanted a train to end so badly, but this one's on the track close to me, and there's a green signal for us. There's the end there, but there's a green signal for the track on the other side of it, so I didn't want to miss the other one coming this way. But I guess, you know, now I don't have to worry about it. Well, that was good. Nathan P5 horn. Didn't expect that. I kind of wish that he punched it on the horn a little bit more, but, you know, beggars can't be choosers. Well, it might have been just a cutaway for you, but it's been about 2.5 or 3 hours for me. I haven't been here that long. I ended up going back home, and then I was gonna go over to 462's, and I went over there, hung out there, talked for a little bit. And I was gonna go back to Cambridge. I was gonna go to Galt Station, but then I said, fuck that. There's nothing ever going on down there. No, my luck, it'll be a waste of time. So then I came back here, and good luck. I went down to the other end, and when I first got here, it was all cherries. So I went down to the other end, looked, it was red, and then I got out, and I had to piss so bad, so I had to pee. Looked back up at the signal towers, and I got a green. I was expecting it to be a Via, though, so I was like, whatever. And then, sure enough, it was a freight. Happy with that. I think it had a P5 on it. Same with one earlier, actually had one. And then this guy just came through 648 axles, so I can't complain about that. Not one bit. So, hang out a little bit longer and see what happens. I mean, not much else to do today anyways. It's rainy and miserable, so we'll see. Well, all cherries, and I think I'm gonna head back to the Galt sub, possibly. I don't really know what to expect down there, but yeah, caught 4 trains here, you know, at least it was good enough. No Via, so whatever. This fucking road is terrible. But yeah, we're gonna head back to Cambridge. We'll hang out there for a little bit, and then if it's not busy there, I'm gonna call it a day. Well, I made it down to Galt Station, and it's really raining out now. I mean, not heavy or anything, but it's a lot heavier than it was. Got some guy over here to the left of me rooting through the dumpster. Y'all wonder why I go to Paris. That's why. A lot of these dummies hanging around here. I don't care, you can hate me for saying that, but they're all fucked. But anyways, I feel bad for the one guy he's standing across the road. He's standing near the crossing there, and I think he's doing the same thing I'm doing. He's standing in the rain. So I can hear, or was hearing, H72. Sounded like he was working somewhere. I don't really know where. So I was kind of waiting for him to come around. But I don't think I'll be here much longer anyways. Unless something really happens. I don't see it being too long. I've been out all day. It's nice to finally get out after feeling like shit. So, even though I chose the rainiest day, but hey, whatever, I figured why not, you know. Can't do anything at home. I had a project going on at home yesterday, but I can't do anything right now because it's raining, so figured fuck it, why not, whatever. Don't matter anyways. Hopefully something happens. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. I'm 90% sure that homeless guy had a directional Yagi antenna in his shopping cart. And I'm pretty sure I know where it came from. I know down the way at Dobie Drive there's some bungalows that have Yagi antennas on them. And it looked like one to me. And I don't know where he would have gotten that. I do, but, you know. I know an antenna when I see it. I've got enough of my own Yagi antennas at home, so I don't know, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and look at you want to see the mess that he made? Check this out. Wasn't a mess when I got here before. Look at that. There's shit everywhere. Throws it around, no big deal. But they get away with it, so whatever. But I should probably stop talking about such a controversial thing. I have my opinions, you guys have yours. It's up to you what you decide. So far, nothing. I don't know, man. Latest I'll stay maybe it's 3:30. It's 2:55 now. So we'll see what happens.
Correct, thank you very much. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512. 305512.
That CPKC foreman Jim Fryer, by the sounds of it, really needs to answer his call, because it's about the 7th time I've heard Buddy call for him. But anyways, there goes H72. Held up an awful lot of traffic, which I forgot that it's Tuesday and it's throughout the week and it's around getting close to rush hour, so it makes sense. But it was nice to see him for a change. Tried getting some B-roll footage of the traffic all backed up, and I think I got some, but not much. But I don't think anything else will be coming for a while. I might be wrong. It's 3:16, and I'll stay here until 3:30, but if nothing happens until then yeah, I'm gonna take off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna say a polite fuck this and head out before rush hour gets too bad, because I don't really want to have to deal with that. But we caught a good amount today. You know, of course, it's raining. I apologize for the shitty angles, especially here, but I don't really want to get out in the rain. So anyways, you know what to do.